Hippos and Hutto, Texas. What is the relationship between that? Well, you'll find out soon enough. Stay tuned. We're going to be talking about Hutto, Texas. Yes, Hutto, Texas, one of the fastest city growing right here in the suburbs of Austin, Texas. Not only that, I'll be showcasing a property that is also for sale right here in Hutto. So stay tuned. But if you're new to my channel, go ahead and press that subscribe button. And this is Rima, Bhavsar, your Austin local realtor, making your home journey and selling stress-free. Let's go ahead and get started. Hutto is proudly known as the hippo capital of Texas, and you will see hippos everywhere, from front yard to local businesses. It all started with a legend about a hippo escaping from a circus train in the early 1900s, and the town just embraced it. There are over 3,000 hippo statues around Hutto, and you can even go on a self-guided hippo hunt. It's a fun activity for families or just to get to know the town better. We're going to be starting out on the historic town of Hutto, Texas, the downtown. And not only that, we're going to be starting out with the famous pie, where it's freshly baked, home baked, and it's very popular in Hutto, Texas. If you're here, you must try that out. Now, let's talk about downtown Hutto. This is the heart of the community. Adorable shops, local restaurants, historic buildings. It's got that classic small town charm, but with a trendy twist. And don't miss the Texas Cafe Pie Shop, known for serving over 40 kinds of homemade pies. Seriously, this place is Southern comfort food at its best. Hutto's also great for nature lovers. Hutto Lake Park is a go-to spot for walking trails, fishing, and family picnics. If you're a football fan, you would want to go ahead and visit this Hutto football stadium. It's a must-go for family to have fun. There is a brand new Hookie Entertainment Complex just opened, which features IMAX movies, bowlings, arcades, and upscale dining. Great for date nights or family outings. Hutto is one of the fastest growing towns in Central Texas, with tons of new construction homes and lots of resale options for family and friends. They've got vibrant neighborhoods popping up everywhere. And the best part, you still get more space and value compared to nearby Austin. Downtown Austin is approximately 22 miles southwest of Hutto, translating to a 30-40 minute drive depending on traffic. Austin International Airport is roughly 30 miles south, or about a 35 to 45 minute drive. And Round Rock is just 7 miles west, offering additional amenities and employment opportunities. The outdoor water park, the biggest outdoor water park, which is right here in Round Rock, Texas. Okay guys, if you loved everything about Hutto, Texas, guess what? We have this home right here listed for sale. A beautiful open concept, 2,000 square footage around, 4-bedroom and 2-bathroom, and a beautiful backyard. I can't wait to show you what's inside. Let's go. This beautiful 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom home spans about 2,000 square footage and was built in 2022. The open concept layout features a spacious living area, a modern kitchen with granite countertops and stainless steel appliances, and a cozy dining space, perfect for family gatherings. The master suite is huge. I do not see this anywhere else besides this home right now. Offers a trampoline retreat with a walk-in closet and an en-suite bathroom, featuring a large walk-in shower. The additional bedrooms provide ample space for family or even guests. Step outside to a professional landscape yard, ideal for weekend barbecue, or a safe play area for kids and pets. Okay guys, that is all about Hutto, Texas. I hope you learned and loved what this town has to offer. Not only that, this beautiful home is for sale right here in the heart of Hutto, Texas. And if you're new to my channel, go ahead and press that subscribe button. And if you need an agent anywhere in the world, yes, anywhere in the world, I've got a link right here in the description. Fill that out and I will get you guys the right agent. I just want to say thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.